Here at Nintendo, we take complaints to heart. And one of our biggest complaints was that the Joy-Cons were uncomfortable to hold on account of being too thin. Which is why we didn't do anything to make them thicker and instead just made the controller much bigger. The new handheld also has a kickstand so you can play on the table.
It breaks with a modest amount of use.
We removed the sharp corners from the old dock, which as we know were causing people to lose.
Fuck, that's sharp!
And with the new mouse controls, you don't even need to wait 6 to 12 months for your Joy-Cons to drift. And so that you don't have to endure the absolute anguish of reattaching the Joy-Cons manually, we now streamlined the process with state-of-the-art neodymium magnets that will ensure you never have to detach them ever again. The NS2 will have backwards compatibility, allowing you to play games from the NS1. And if you want to know what your friends are up to, their gameplay is presented as PowerPoint slideshows in the bottom of the screen, with cutting-edge, mind-eviscerating 240p resolution. And you can even FaceTime them using the NS2 camera, straight from Black Mirror to your home. The old microSD for the NS1 will not work with the NS2.
But it's basically the same hardware, more or less, and you're able to make backwards compatibility work, so why not this?
Are you questioning my authority, bitch? Sorry, are you the chief officer around here? I wasn't aware that you were. I thought that was my job. Your job is to collect ghosts and facilitate multiplayer for our customers' whiny little sip.
Wait, how did you...
That's right. With every purchase of the new 007, you'll receive a complimentary joy gun to blast away your enemies and critics of the NS2's hardware. And with Game Chat, you can broadcast your executions live.
But I'm just saying you could have a Steam Deck instead.
Did you guys at least fix Joy-Con degradation?
Here at Nintendo, we have too much pride, and pride cometh before the fall. Speaking of falling, our prices have it. We justified this price with brand new features. Motion control and microphone-based games in Mario Party Jamboree. A tutorial for the Switch that will help you get acquainted with the price. For the tutorial, Rocket League disabled.
$60 paid DLC for Rocket League enabled.
A mobile app for Tears of the Kingdom that uses Google Earth to help you find Korok seeds in your house. And finally, parental controls. And now the releases. Mario Kart World. You don't even have to stay on the track anymore. You can just free roam. What the fuck are you doing? Kirby Air Ride.
So it's just the same game. Topics not included with the base game.
I want it now!
You can enjoy Metroid 4 on the TV at 4K for 60Hz gameplay, or at 1080p for 120Hz gameplay. Here at Nintendo, our mission is to revolutionize pick-your-poison graphics.
And actually, Mr. Nintendo, the Steam Deck when it's docked allows for 4K gameplay and the 120Hz frame rate.
Shut the fuck up, nerd bomb! Nobody cares!
We also have an exclusive FromSoft release with the most FromSoft name possible, and a new Donkey Kong 3D platformer.
There's no satiric commentary to be made about this. It's actually pretty hype.
And each of these games for the absolute bargain bin price of...
Oh my goodness! This is the new industry standard, Mr. Squidward. I hope you took out a second mortgage.
Ah, fellow NS2 enjoyers, how goes it?
This is a Steam Deck.
Mr. Nintendo, I have to know! What did you actually change about the console conceptually?
You sweet little shit.
The seed button! Nintendo Switch 2. What's old is new.
And I'm broke. And I'm broke. And I've made a foolish decision with my money. And I've made a foolish decision with the only money I'll ever have.